Honda City Hatchback Type R concept. Honda City Hatchback modified Type R concept are exposed. Adopting the Type R design concept, the overall match is super handsome, and the appearance is amazing. In fact, the City Hatchback will be released soon, because the Type R kit has already been tested in real cars. The NKS refitting car dealer launched the refitting kit for Honda City Hatchback not long ago. The imaginary picture of the refitting of Honda City Hatchback has been exposed. It uses the Type R design concept like NKS, but the visual effects presented are extremely different. This modification is more domineering. On the front, we can see that the front of the City Hatchback is the same as my country City RS. It has a piano black cover, but the matching bumper design is similar to Type R FK8, and the hood is replaced with FK8, the same design. The overall look is very dynamic. On the side of the car, you can see that it has a wide body design, as well as air ducts, adding a touch of fighting style, and the rim design is also replaced with a design similar to Type R FK8 Limited Edition. If it is a baby Type R is not too much. For the rear, the blackened and three-dimensional LED taillights are highly recognizable. With a sporty rear wing and a sporty bumper, City Hatchback rear of this car does not lose the German steel gun, Golf GTI. In any case, that the Honda City Hatchback will be a car worth looking forward to. When will it debut? We will wait and see. What do you think of Honda City Hatchback Type R concept? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.